Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool, amazing product right here. You can see basically what this is a memory foam tri-fold bed. So basically it's folded into 3 different parts. That's super portable, so I can bring it with you guys almost anywhere. And in case you guys wondering which brand it is right here. So this is basically what the package looks like when it arrives. So once you guys open it up, the whole entire product itself should expand into like a bigger memory foam bed itself. So let's go open this up first and show you guys what the product looks like inside, and open it up to show you guys how it looks like when this fully expands. Alright, let's unbox the package. So you can see this part, you have to actually take it off. So this is actually washable. So you want to remove this whole entire part out, so that way you can actually wash it. And then we're not using it, lift it back up. Alright, and now we flip it over and let it fully inflate. So you guys can see on the pattern on the actual bed itself, it has some like bamboo kind of design. The actual mattress itself is memory foam. So we're just gonna let this fully inflate first. And I also got this bag right here that can use for the actual mattress itself. So let me open it up and show you guys what it looks like. So this is basically what the bag looked like. So I got the extra large or the bigger one, so I can fit this one and also a bigger size mattress. So all I need to do is fold the actual tri-fold mattress itself and put it in here. Because of how big it is, it can actually fit this and a bigger one as well. Let's test out the material on here really quick, because it kind of inflated already. So when you guys actually go on it, it actually bounces back up. It actually feels really, really nice. You definitely get that memory foam material on here, so it actually feels really, really good. You will definitely get like a really good sleep, and you guys can basically use this at home or at the car or whatever you guys want to put it on. So as you see, the way how I put this right now is on the floor. So if you guys want to put this onto like a bed frame, you guys can definitely do that as well. And then once you guys are done using it, you guys can fold it back up, just like that. And then that's how you guys become a tri-fold mattress right here. So it's definitely super portable, and it's really cool how it's like foldable, so you can save a lot of space. Especially if you guys live in like an apartment or like somewhere that's all cramped up. It's actually super portable and super helpful. And then once you guys want to use it again, just open it back up just the way how I showed you guys, and you guys are all set. So now let me actually put it into the actual bag itself and show you guys whether or not it actually fits. So you can see it's super spacious for this one because we got the bigger size one. So even if you guys get the bigger size, like right here, you guys can see it's very spacious. So this one actually fits this one really well. They actually have a handle on both sides here as well, as you guys can see. And also one on the bottom, so wherever you guys want to hold it, that's up to you guys. But that's basically the overall product itself. Alright, so now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I think this overall packaging is pretty cool. It's actually super useful. Like I mentioned, you guys can use it at home, in the office. You guys can use it in your car as well. If you guys drive a Tesla, that's really perfect. But the overall material actually feels really nice. You guys can see that memory foam material like expanded so quickly. And the way how come the next smaller package all compressed is pretty cool. So it was like easy to kind of like set up and everything, and easy to bring around wherever you guys want to set it all up. Getting one of these bags is definitely cool as well. So that way you can keep the actual mattress itself or the mat itself really clean over time, and you guys don't have to clean it as often. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to use one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else to actually doing. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have